Hi everyone, so my name is Chuan. I am currently in the low-code team. I was from the Step It Up Run 2 program that focuses on low-code out systems. Yep, so currently I'm in a project. We work on a consumer-grade web and mobile application. So currently I would say it's my current project because it is actually impacting a lot of people. So as I said, it's a consumer app. So it is something that actually people use on a day-to-day basis. And it's very meaningful, as I said, because it impacts a lot of people. So I would say that this project has been quite memorable because it was a project that I have been in since the start of my time here in Timus. And I think it has seen me grow from coming in fresh as a SIU graduate all the way till now. So it has been a very memorable time in this project. Yeah. I would say it is actually when me and a few of the other graduates, we actually came together to join a hackathon together. So this hackathon is actually international hackathon in the OutSystems community. We actually came in second place, and the donation money went to our non-profit, which was Yellow Ribbon. So I think this was very meaningful to us because we were able to use the skills that we have learned and actually give back to the community and contributed in that manner. I think it was also very nice that we were able to um, showcase our skills and actually brought uh, our name to like the international scene as well. And I think it was quite a good exposure for us as well. So I think the biggest challenge for me, I would say, is having to juggle different thoughts at once. Coming from low code, I think a lot of the difficulty comes from being able to think both high level and low level, because of the nature of the projects. You might actually have to be able to swap your way of thinking. So in a way, be a bit more creative in the way you problem solve. So that is one of the challenges I think you might face as a local developer. But it is something that is definitely rewarding once you manage to um, get a good control over it. Yeah. Right. So coming into low code with this batch of SIU, I think it was pretty interesting because everyone had different backgrounds, and it was very interesting to see the angle that we all took in terms of like solving different issues. So I think it was a very good way of actually seeing how everyone tackles different problems. A certain problem might not have one specific solution, right? And it was quite good to actually see different creative ways of tackling a single solution. So I think that was one thing that really stood out to me when joining low code. Right. So I think Step It Up is a really good platform if you are looking to enter the industry, especially in low code. I think being in this low code space, it allows you to be able to touch on different aspects of the software engineering, software development cycle. So I think you're able to experience security, software architecture, um, both front and back end. So um, being in this space allows you to be able to experience these different pillars of software development. So I think in a learning sense, it is very beneficial if you were to join this run of Step It Up.